Quarter four, October through December, is prime time marketing season for tax professionals. We no longer only prepare for tax season, we prepare for quarter four now, right now in quarter three. So stay tuned and I'll tell you exactly what I mean. All right, all right. Like I said, quarter four is prime time marketing season for tax professionals who are actively participating in the upcoming tax season. And listen, if you don't believe me, just look around. Look at social media. Everything gets ramped up October, November, December for the upcoming tax season. Okay. And let me just tell you, if you wait until October to start thinking about marketing your tax business, you're too late, especially in comparison to your competition. And let me tell y'all, if your competition is with people who are in my Tax Boss Academy, you are way too late because we have been preparing for quarter four. Okay. So you want to start creating and testing your marketing strategy now. So by the time quarter four gets here, you already know what works, what doesn't work, what your audience likes, what they don't like, etc. Okay, because quarter four, the only thing you want to do is present the type of content that works. Okay, and plus, you want to spend this time building your audience up. You don't want to start promoting your tax business in November and December. And then if someone goes to your social media page, they're looking at your page, you have a couple of tax related posts, and the rest of the posts are like you at the club and stuff. We don't want that type of stuff. But if you start now with posting regularly, then there'll be some history on your social media page that people can really sink their teeth into. So today we're going to be talking about the 3 steps to create your tax biz marketing strategy. Okay. Now listen, there are more than 3 steps to creating a marketing strategy. But today we're just going to go over the 3 most foundational steps. Okay. The most foundational steps. So let's go ahead and get into it. Number 1, set clear goals. Set clear goals. Without well-defined goals, your marketing efforts won't have a clear direction. Okay. If you don't have a specific goal about what you really want to accomplish with your marketing, then you're going to be stuck on a hamster wheel. And what's going to end up happening is you're going to run out of time come quarter four, and you're going to end up copying and pasting what other people are doing. Okay. And quiet as kept, what other people are doing, sometimes, most of the time, isn't even working. Okay. So you're not going to get the results for your efforts. Okay. In layman's terms, what do you want to achieve with your marketing? Do you want to increase your client base? Do you want to promote your new services within your tax business? Are you building brand awareness? Do you want more engagement with your posts, like likes and comments and things of that nature? Be careful with vanity metrics, though, because they do not equal paying customers. So I'll just throw that out there. The second step in creating a tax biz marketing strategy is identify your target market. Guys, I talk about your target market all the time. Your entire marketing strategy needs to be built around your target market. Why? Because they are going to drive where you even market and what you're saying to them. When I talk about target market, aka niching down, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, why would I do that when everyone needs to file their taxes? Well, here's why. First of all, it will immediately separate you from all of the other tax professionals out here. Instead of just saying in your bio or something, I prepare tax returns, now you can say, I am a tax specialist for medical workers, for truckers, for makeup artists, for whomever your target market is. Also, you speak to different groups of people differently. You will not speak to a trucker the same way you would speak to a photographer. Or maybe even, let's use a different example. You wouldn't speak to a trucker the same way you would speak to a nurse. Okay. A nurse is an employee. A trucker probably owns his own business and works for himself. Yes, they both pay taxes, and yes, they both file taxes, but their tax circumstances are different. They are concerned with different things as it pertains to their tax business. You will talk to them differently. So that's why you want to choose a target market. Number three, you want to develop a unique selling proposition, aka a USP, a unique selling proposition. In such a competitive, and some people say saturated industry, such as the taxation industry, it's very crucial to stand out because everybody and their daddy prepare taxes now. They preparing taxes at the Walmart, at the oil changing spot, down the street, on the internet, at the Six Flags. They preparing taxes everywhere now. So how are you going to separate yourself from everyone else preparing taxes? What is so unique about you and your tax business that someone would choose your tax business versus either preparing their taxes themselves, going to a huge franchise like H&R Block, or what's the other one, Liberty Tax Service, or going to one of your competitors? What is so unique about you? What is different and special about you that answers the question, why you and not them? Okay. And let me just say this, because this is something that really grinds my gears. Do not mix business standards with USPs. Okay. Some of you all, and I'm kind of calling y'all out, will have certain business standards, what I will consider a normal business standard on your social media, on your website, okay? And you will say that that's your USP. No, what do I mean? Something like timely filed tax returns. That's not nothing unique. That's not anything special. You should be filing taxes in a timely manner. That is a normal business standard, okay? Also, another normal business standard is like phenomenal customer service. That's not something unique about you. That should be a normal business standard, guys. We have to raise our standards, especially now as we are the CEOs of our tax businesses, okay? So these three are the starting points to creating your marketing strategy: setting clear goals, identifying a target market, and identifying what your USPs are. Start here. Start here. This is a good start. And again, if you want to chat with me, okay, click the link below to schedule a discovery call. If you're ready to start, build, and or scale a profitable and sustainable tax business, you definitely want to go ahead and schedule a discovery call with me ASAP. Okay, guys? So do these, start with these first, start preparing for quarter four today. Okay? I'll see y'all in the next video.